In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a text taller on Canva. On your Canva design, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Apps tab. In the search bar, browse Typecraft. Select the Typecraft result from the results search. Within the Typecraft interface, you will see the option of adding text, choosing font, and selecting styles. Type in your text and then choose your desired font and style. Look for the little circular dots around the edges of the text box. These are control points that allow you elongate your text. Click and drag any of these points to increase the height of your text. You can also drag multiple dots simultaneously for a more taller text. Go ahead and change the color of your text from the color palette. Once you're happy with the height of the text, click the purple Add Element to Design button. This will import your creation into your main Canva workspace as a text element. You can go ahead and resize, adjust, and place it exactly wherever you want it. And that's how to make text taller on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out.